The answer to that question is yes, and the answer to that question is no. And the answer to that question is sure. Hey, what's up, AppGrind Nation? Reggie P here. Hey, how would you like to get paid daily just by answering questions? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how. So stay tuned.
This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get paid daily just by answering questions. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. Now, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, before I jump over here to my computer and show you this method, let me talk to my small YouTubers out there. Are you struggling to get views and subscribers to your channel? Well, I have the software just for you. All you got to do is click on the link below that says my #1 recommended tool to increase views and subscribers to your YouTube channel. This same software has helped me go from 20 subscribers all the way to almost 300 subscribers within a month. So go ahead and click that down below. It's absolutely free to download. Again, it's called my #1 recommended tool to increase views and subscribers for your YouTube channel. Click on that link below right now. Now, please watch this video to the very end so you can fully understand how this method works. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how to get paid daily just by answering questions. Let's get it!
Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called Just Answer. And what they do is they answer questions for people in all different fields. So, for instance, as you can see down here, tax and finance. So if you have a question about tax and finance, they have an expert for that. Lawyers, they have an expert that's in the lawyer field. Mechanics, doctors, vets, electrician, plumbers, electronics, phones, software. So they got a expert for any type of field and that you can think of. And so if you have a question and you want to know something within these fields, they have an expert for that. So what you're going to be doing is answering questions for people in the field that you're most knowledgeable in. So if you're an expert in computers or software, a certain, let's say, maybe on let's doing a niche that we're doing right now, online business. So if you are expert in a certain online business, somebody on here ask that question, you give them the answer, and you get paid. So now to become an expert on Just Answer, you would have to pass a test, ask some couple of questions within the field that you are most knowledgeable in. And once you pass that test, you come on board as a Just Answer expert and start getting paid for answering questions. Now, sometimes they're not hiring, so you have to keep checking back here to find out. So let's go here right quick. So Let's go right here. All right. Let's just go right here and see how everything works. So let's say if you are knowledgeable in the mechanics field, ask an expert. So doctors, lawyers, mechanics, and more are all ready to help you 24/7. Name your price. So that person would give a price of what they're going to pay that person to get the answer. Save time and money over one person visit. Then talk one-on-one online. Get a response in 7 minutes. Talk with an expert until satisfied. So that's how that works. So if you're interested and you want to learn more and you want to try to sign up and become an expert with Just Answer, just go to justanswer.com. Now I'm going to show you another site that is a little bit easier to start answering questions for. So let me go to that site right now. Okay, I'm at the next site. It's called Help Owl, and that's help owl.com. And this is just like justanswers.com, except you don't have to fill out any application or try to get approved to answer questions on this site. So right here where it says how it works, contribute content, earn points, get prizes. Who doesn't love skee ball? You earn tickets that will be redeemed for prizes. It says here we have adopted the same model on helpowl.com. You can earn points for a number of things throughout the site and then use those points to receive gift cards to leading merchants like Amazon and Walmart. It's that simple. So you just create an account and start earning points to exchange for great prizes. So let's look at some of the points you would earn. Right here, the points, 50 points. Ask an original question, post a question anywhere on helpowl.com and receive these points. This is for 100 points. There's one for 1,000. And here's one right here. 10 points. Answer marked as helpful. 150 points. Review a company or product. 250 points. Submit a manual. 500 points. Submit a manual that's 10 to 50 pages long. 750 points. Submit a manual that's 51 to 100 pages long. And 1,000 points. Submit a manual that's 101 pages long. So let's go down here and see. Okay, when you accumulate the points, you can get Amazon gift cards, Walmart, and an iCard gift card. So if you're interested in this, just go to helpowl.com, sign up, and start gaining them points and receiving prizes. Okay, I'm at the last site, the final site here. It's called ether.com. And on here, you also answer questions, but this is over the phone. So once you become an Ether consultant, you will get a phone number. So it says here, sign up for your Ether phone number. Set it to forward calls to your actual phone number, your cell phone, home, work, or any other number. It takes 2 minutes to set up and it's free. So set your rate. How much is your time worth? $75 an hour, $15 for 15 minutes, $30 per call, whatever you like. People will only be able to call you when they're prepaid your rate. Take calls only when you want to. Your phone will never ring when you don't want it to. Just set the hours when you want to take calls by adjusting the automatic schedule currently set so you don't get calls at night, or turn your ether phone number on or off with the click of a mouse and by using your phone. So this is another way you can get paid for answering questions here. So you can market yourself with your business card and everything. Then you can phone me the money, so you can get the customer to phone your money. And there's no monthly fees and no setup fees and no connection fees. Earn money via PayPal. You can sell any digital content such as reports, photographs, podcasts, videos, etc. Simply send an ether mail with the contents you like to sell and set the price you're charging. People will only be able to view the contents when they pay your price. Sell content on the web. You can also sell digital content using an ether buy now button. So you can place on your website. Simply set up a buy now button with the contents you like to sell and set the price you're charging. People will only be able to view the contents when they pay your price. So this is a nice site to sign up. So like I said, if you're an expert in accounting, computer expert, blogger, or a good gospel, you can earn money selling what you say to others over the phone or through email. So if somebody got questions about certain subjects and they want to learn more, here it is. You can use this. All right. That's it. That's all the 3 sites, and it's available. All of them available worldwide, and you don't need any money to start.
So now you know the websites you need to go to right now that will pay you daily just by answering questions. So go ahead and sign up with those websites and start answering questions and start making that cash. Now, thank you for watching this video to the very end. For doing so, I'm going to give you a proposition. If you guys can help me get to 300 subscribers, I'm going to reward a lucky person with free money. Now, all you have to do is just leave a comment down below. In this video and all my videos that's leading up to the 300 subscribers. And what I'm going to do is randomly pick a comment and reward that person with $20 cold hard cash or a $20 Amazon gift card. The choice is yours. Now, I only have 283, so I don't have that far to go to get to 300. So go ahead and leave that comment down below so you can get a chance to win this money. Now, that's all I have for today. Please smash that like button if you like what I talked about today. And leave a comment down below so I can give away this free money. Share this on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and LinkedIn. And please subscribe to my channel And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this on a daily basis. Alright, I'm done. I'm finished. Fin. But you don't have to leave just yet. You can watch one of my recommended videos right here, or one of my most recent videos right here. Or you can watch all of my videos right after I tell you this. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now go watch my videos. Peace.